Morning. I have my freshly rebuilt OS FS-40 Surpass engine. This will be the first run it's had since I've replaced the bearings and completely tore the engine down and cleaned it. Now, I did run this engine last week sometime with the original bearing set that was in there, and I found out while I was running it that they weren't any good. So I ordered a new set of bearings, replaced and cleaned the entire engine up, and this will be the first time I've run it since then. I've got a brand new Inya number 3 glow plug on it and an 11.6 APC prop. So let's see how it does. I'd say overall it's not a bad little engine. Seems to run pretty well. Kind of had a little tough time there at the beginning for whatever reason. I don't know if I leaned it out too much or what. The compression on this thing, I guess, is normal. It just doesn't feel as strong as some other four-stroke engines I've got. Even specifically the FS-40 I've got, which has got really snappy compression. Maybe this is just the way this engine is. This is the first FS-40 I've ever owned, but the ring and everything was still looking like new. Maybe that's just a compression ratio that this engine has. It just doesn't feel like all that much. But I mean, it was turning as 11.6 prop at a pretty respectable 95, 9400 RPM, which is pretty darn good, I think, for this engine. I was pretty happy with it. It sounded good once it got warmed up, and it had a decent idle too. So it's a pretty nice little engine. I think I'll hang on to it and maybe find a little biplane for it.